So I kept 2 of the best ones. And got 4 new golf carts, 6 volts. Glad I got this strap. It's $6. Got these 2 and these 2 connected together, positive to negative, to make 12 volts. And then I'll tie these together in parallel to increase capacity. Just the ground to the chassis for right now, and the alternator hooked up right now, so I can give this a good charge. I want to charge this to 100% and then cycle it a few times according to the internet. That is a break-in period. Helps extend the life of the batteries, so I'm just gonna charge them up real good for right now instead of worrying about getting the fridge cold again. Just give these a good charge. Alright, so we got the batteries charging. Alright, so we're back at the rest stop finishing up this wiring. Got just about everything hooked up, so got it all cinched down. Chargers are hooked up. We got the big charger, 100 amps. Oh, I forgot one, so I need to go over here. Geez, ran out of room on that post. Put that over there. And I'm pretty much good to go. We got the alternator charging cables coming in. We got everything. Some extra wires left over. Alright, everything's hooked back up. Small charger, the big charger, the alternator, solar, small charger, the fan for the generator cabinet, chassis grounds. Leaving the RV unhooked until I can go through and find out where the power loss is coming through. We got some parasitic drains, a parasitic drain going on. So I want to make sure I go through that before I hook that back up. So I'm going to let this charge first, completely with the charger, and then we'll cycle it. It says to cycle it 3 times for a break-in period. Trick I found with these is to get them underneath a wire, then you can keep them from getting lost. You just can't really do it with those, but like this one, keep it put. Alright, the generator's going and the converter's going. Got that charging, let that get a full charge. Turn the solar back on so this thing can tell me what power we're at. Help charge. 14.6. hook up a multimeter down there and figure out how much of a power drain we got, and then we go through and start unhooking stuff and figure out why there's a power drain. And we'll keep these set aside for now. Once this is done charging, or maybe I don't know if I can run both chargers at the same time, but I'll get the little charger on there and charge these up. Make sure these have got a good charge on them. That way I have a couple extra batteries for emergency or something. Fridge in, and apparently I can run both the fridge and the charger at the same time. The generator would reset if the fridge was going and I plugged that in, because that's got a pretty good startup surge. But it didn't seem to matter the other way around. So sweet. Cooler. Food back down because it's been a couple hours since I unplugged that. I'll go see what's going on down below. Might have just left the light on. 1/10 of an amp, that's probably electronics. I'm not too worried about that. Getting them charged. It's up to 12.7 now. Whoops. I'm going to turn that on. Yeah, okay. I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure that's charged. Turn that back off. Ah, yes, the rest area. The only place I have a slight chance of getting rest, even though there's tons of air brakes and semi-trucks parking all the time. I'm starting to get used to it. Oh, look at this, some sushi showed up. That's pretty cool. Is that a real Hummer? Oh my god, no, that's the H3. Fake Hummer. No, is it? That's an H. That's not an H1, is it? Oh, it is an H1. Holy crap. That's pretty cool. I'd say we are charged. Just gonna go ahead and keep the generator going while I run the PC, get some editing done. Been charging for a few hours now. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the generator off and see how it does. Plug back in, probably be using the furnace throughout the night, and yeah, see how it does. Alright, looks like these new batteries fully charged are at 13.1. It's 4:22 in the morning. Looks like we're gonna have plenty of power to make it into the daytime. Realized by midnight that the batteries were doing really well, so I started leaving lights on and being kind of a power hog, just seeing what the worst could be. Crank the heat up, and yeah, things are looking really good. So I'm going to drain it down to about 12.2. I think 12.1 is a dead battery bank, but I don't want to go completely dead on it. And then I will charge it back up to full. I'm supposed to do that 3 times according to the internet. Seems like it's reached this point at 12.4. It keeps bouncing right back to... or maybe I'm just so used to the bad battery bank and having them not really have any recover, or whatever that's called. Usually after the fridge running, the furnace going, and leaving all my lights on, I'd expect that to be down by now. And it's been at 12.4 for hours. So it's just this kind of, I don't know, spot where the batteries are kind of sitting. Whereas 13.1 down to about 12.5 was pretty quick. It's interesting, I don't really remember the marine batteries doing that.